Inside the box you can find the puller tension rod, standing tube, pedal base, the enclosure body, the fixed adjust bracket, the working board, and a set of screws. Make sure all items are present before beginning assembly. Step 1. Begin by connecting the standing tube and insert into the pedal base. Secure it firmly with the short screws provided. Step 2. Next, take the enclosure body and connect it to the standing tube using the 4 long screws. Ensure each screw is tightened properly to keep the enclosure body stable. Step 3. Now locate the puller tension rod. Attach it to the puller positioned under the lower ceiling body. Then connect the other end of the rod to the foot pedal. Step 4. Connect the fixed adjust bracket to the lower ceiling body. This bracket will help stabilize the ceiling mechanism. Step 5. Finally, place the working board over the adjust bracket and secure it with the 2 screws. While doing this, leave enough space between the lower ceiling body and the top of the screws. This space will make attaching the working board easier. And that's it. Your Impulse foot sealer is now assembled and ready to use. Thank you for watching.